In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my affiliate marketing strategy, raking in $800 daily. The best part, it's 100% free, newbie-friendly, and can be done globally. Whether you have a laptop or just a mobile phone, you're covered. The numbers. Using the Impact Affiliate Network, I've pulled in $24,000 in the last 30 days, consistently hitting $800 a day. No hidden costs, no laptop required. The method. It's a straightforward 4-step process that any beginner can follow. I leverage Impact, similar to ClickBank or Digistore, to partner with companies and earn commissions by promoting their products. My approach. I create video tutorials on apps, websites, and tips that resonate with the online audience. The power of diversity. It's not about promoting just one program. I combine various affiliate programs to hit that $800 day mark. The key is authenticity. Only promote what you'd use yourself. Passive income at its best. Create a video once, and the money keeps rolling in. Whether on YouTube or TikTok, you don't need to show your face. Transparency and ethical marketing are crucial for long-term success. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot. Thanks. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The first thing you need to do is pick a profitable niche. The reason why we pick a niche at the very outset is that we want a very targeted group of people. We want a group of people that are only interested in one category. We don't want to have someone interested in cats, someone interested in dogs, someone interested in finance. We want to target a specific group of people that are only interested in one category of product. This is going to make it 10 times easier for us to make money and target this audience. When choosing a video niche, there are many different categories to choose from. Don't feel like just because you're watching a finance channel, you need to stick within the finance niche. Look around on YouTube. There are channels that talk about food, animals, sports, video games, music, social media marketing, etc. Find one of these niches that you're most attached to, that you actually enjoy promoting. One of the biggest tips for choosing a niche is to make sure it's something that you're interested in and profitable. You don't want to choose something that you're passionate about but doesn't make money. Find a niche that you like and that makes money. Another thing to consider is not picking a niche that you really dislike. Remember, you have to make videos about these things, talk to people, make sales, and create videos. Make sure it's something you're comfortable speaking about and willing to do for the long term. Step 2. Find a high-paying affiliate program. The next step is to find a high-paying affiliate program for your selected niche. One of the fastest and easiest ways to do this is to head over to Google and type in your niche followed by affiliate programs or affiliate networks. For example, if you're interested in music, you can type music affiliate programs. Click on one of the top links from the search results and register for the affiliate program. If the company takes long to accept you, go to another one and start promoting their product in the meantime. You can also check out affiliate networks like Impact, PartnerStack, or others that suit your niche. Digital products usually have higher commission payouts, so aim to promote digital products as they have no overhead costs like physical products. This way, you can make more money with affiliate marketing. Step 3. Use Canva for video creation. The next step is to use Canva for creating videos. Canva is a proven program, and you can find many tutorials on TikTok that have gone viral. People's attention spans are getting smaller, and they prefer short, informative videos. You can find different platforms that you can make videos on because people want quick solutions. Look for trending topics, tips, and tricks related to the affiliate product you're promoting. You can find ideas by searching on Google or TikTok itself. Record a tutorial on how to use the app or software related to your niche. If you're using a phone, download a screen recording app like Record It for iPhone or X Recorder for Android. Decide where you'll post these videos: TikTok, YouTube, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Stick to TikTok if you're using just a phone, and use YouTube if you have access to a computer. Step 4. Add affiliate links to bio or description. Once you've created your video tutorial, the final step is to add your affiliate link. After you've applied and been accepted by the affiliate program, get your unique affiliate link. If you're using TikTok, add the link to your bio. If you're using YouTube, add it to your video description. If you're using other platforms like Instagram, create a beacons or Linktree page with individual links for various products related to your niche. This way, viewers can easily click into your bio, see different links, and make a purchase through your affiliate link. You've managed to copy my entire $800 per day affiliate marketing method. The decision is now yours, whether you'll take action, follow the steps, and start making money online. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for notifications.